I have like a background in finance, so I always thought that now we have Bitcoin, now we have Ethereum, then we will have some permissionless spot exchanges like Uniswap, or what BMX is building now, right? But then the next generation, and actually the biggest step, like the biggest step forward in innovation that we can do is if we create permissionless derivatives. So we have like basically a blank slate financial contract for anything. And that's kind of like in 2019, I started writing like a white paper, and we had like first ideas. And then I met a lot of other researchers, smart people. And in 2021, we came up with that idea for Symmio. And we really asked ourselves the question, okay, how can we have a system where you can create a financial contract for anything? And the easiest way to explain that to an audience that maybe doesn't really understand what is derivative, what is like difference between DYDX or Hyperliquid or Symmio, you could kind of say that these order books, like DYDX or Hyperliquid, they're kind of like Bitcoin. So if those Hyperliquid DYDX are like Bitcoin, then Symmio is more like Ethereum, where you can create any financial contract. This goes even so far that we have like a part of our team, researchers, which are working on a version of Sim where you have kind of like, you can create a financial asset, then you can trade it. And then there's even like some kind of governance or court process if there is like a dispute about this asset, right? Because they can become like very complex in how they're created. But the simplest and most like elegant implementation of Symmio is what we've done with BMX, where you can just trade the whole Binance futures liquidity on chain.